Hi everyone, my name is Anushka. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely great and are staying safe at home, keeping good care of yourselves. So in today's video, as you have read by the title already, I'm going to tell you how you can get rid of your blackheads and whiteheads. This goes both for girls and boys as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Also, like every other video of mine, I like to put the disclaimer out that I'm not a professional. These are the methods. The methods that I'm going to be showing in this video are the methods that work best for me. It might not work for you. And yeah, now let's get started. Before we move on, make sure that you do not have any makeup on your face. I do not have any makeup on my face as of now. I only am wearing a lipstick and that's it. So for today's video, I'm going to be using a product that I've been using from I don't know how many years now, and this is this product is a charcoal cleansing nose strip, and this works very well for me, and it's very cheap also. For I guess 165 or 190, around those lines, you get 6 strips. I'll make sure to link it in the description box below for you guys, just in case you guys want to check them out. So abhi I'm down to only 2 strips, so I'm gonna use this one right now. So first thing first, what we have to do is, although the instructions are pretty clearly written on back of the box, but मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ तो मैं आपको सारी चीज़ें बताऊँगी. सो यू हैव टू टेक सम हॉट वाटर. आप ठंडा पानी भी ले सकते हो, पर हॉट वाटर से जो है ना, योर पोर्स ओपन रियली नाइसली. सो इट्स रिकमेंडेड. अब इतना मेथड कर ही रहे हो तो पानी थोड़ा सा गर्म कर लो. सो आई एम टेकिंग सम टिश्यू एंड मैं गर्म पानी से अपने नोज़ पे ऐसे पैट करूँगी सो दैट माई पोर्स ओपन नाइसली. सबसे ज़्यादा रिकमेंडेड होता है दैट यू गाइस टेक स्टीम, पर अभी इट्स वेरी हॉट एंड ऑल्दो स्टीम लेना चाहिए अभी बिकॉज ऑफ द कोविड थिंग, बट अभी मेरा मन नहीं है लेने का. सो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग सम डैम्प वेट टिश्यू इन हॉट वाटर एंड आई एम जस्ट गोना रन इट all over my nose. Okay, so it's been a hot 1 minute of me running this wet tissue on my nose. So now it's time we stick our nose strip on our nose. So इस nose strip के साथ क्या है ना, that it won't stick on your skin if it is dry. So you have to run some water on your nose, then only it will stick. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna first tear, and this is the nose strip. So इसको लगाने से पहले I'm gonna obviously wet my nose with hot water. ठंडा पानी भी आप ले सकते हो, पर hot water is recommended. Once your nose is nice and wet, then I'm gonna peel this nose strip and I'm gonna apply it on my nose. Because my nose was wet, so it stuck like immediately. If your nose is dry, it won't stick. Okay, I look like an idiot right now, but okay. So you have to leave it for 10 minutes or until it is nice and stiff. It hardly takes me 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna wait now and pass time. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and I'm just gonna peel this off now. It does hurt a little. I mean, मेरे आँख watery हो जाते हैं, but it's worth. So oh my god. Okay, this is how it looks. I know it's very gross, so I'm not gonna show you the entire thing, but it does work amazing for me. So I'm just gonna wash all of this with normal water and be right back. Alright, so I've washed my face and I'm back, and I take it one step further and I use a tool like this, a blackhead tool like this, and I'm just gonna nicely press and use it on my nose to get rid of extra जो बच गए होंगे blackheads उनको. So I'm just gonna go with it. Alright, sure, so I've gotten rid of all the blackheads and whiteheads that I had. If this is your first time, you won't see like a drastic difference, because obviously एक दो बार करने के बाद you'll see like the major difference. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but can you see how shiny my nose has become after doing all of this? And trust me on that I'm not wearing any highlighter or anything. I'm not wearing any makeup only. So yeah, that was it for this video. I hope this was helpful for you guys in some or the other way, and if you happen to like this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I come up with new videos every Mondays and Fridays, and I'm gonna see you pretty soon. My Instagram is linked in the description box below. So bye.